Today we will be discussing some of the recent news surrounding NIO stock. Make sure to give us a like, and subscribe to the channel for more stock updates like today. Also, Webull is giving 2 free stocks, valued all the way up to $1,600, only after you deposit $100 on the platform. Use the link down in the description, to get your 2 free stocks, and now let's begin with our video. This past weekend, in a SEC filing it showed Bridgewater had nearly doubled its holding in NIO in the third quarter. As it turns out, Bridgewater isn't the only firm. California Public Employees Retirement System, CalPERS, the largest public pension in the U.S. by assets, increased its position in NIO by about 20% in the third quarter, and its holdings in NIO stock have increased in value by more than 200%. On November 5, CalPERS disclosed that as of September 30 they hold around 2.3 million NIO shares worth nearly $49 million. Renaissance Technologies Corp., founded by well-known hedge fund manager James Simons, increased its holdings of NIO stock by about 50% in the third quarter, increasing the value of its holdings of NIO stock by more than 300%. Renaissance Technologies filed with the SEC on November 13 that it held nearly 14 million NIO shares worth nearly $296 million as of September 30. During the third quarter, NIO shares rose 174%. Since the end of September, NIO is up 110%. Despite the short seller attack that caused it to plunge nearly 8% last Friday. NIO will report its third quarter earnings Tuesday before the market opens. Wall Street forecasts NIO's third quarter revenue to grow 135% year-on-year to 4.33 billion yuan. During the second quarter conference call, NIO executives forecast third quarter revenue of 4.05 billion yuan to 4.21 billion yuan, up over 120% from the same period last year. Over the past 3 years, NIO's average sales growth rate has been 508%. Wall Street analysts are forecasting a net loss of 1.41 billion yuan, and the extent of the loss is narrowing. In the last quarter, NIO's vehicle margins turned positive for the first time at 0.097%. Wall Street also forecasts NIO's third quarter loss of 1.30 yuan per share, and analysts also forecast NIO's loss per share to narrow 55% to 69 cents for the full year in 2020 and further to 49 cents per share in 2021. The company's revenue is expected to nearly double throughout both 2020 and 2021. NIO production and sales are encouraging and Wall Street is becoming more optimistic as a result. NIO currently has 9 buy ratings, 5 hold ratings, and 1 sell rating. Citi expects NIO's gross margins to reach further levels of 22 to 25% in the fourth quarter. NIO's share price is also benefiting from increasing market share, decreasing battery costs, and the prospect of export-related policy headwinds. NIO is on track to sell 100,000 units next year, and Li Auto and XPeng on track to sell 50,000 units each. Now that NIO, XPeng, and Li Auto have all gone public in the US, the 3 new powerhouses are now on a rapid rise in sales after a difficult period. China's new energy vehicle sales remained at around 1 million units from 2018 to 2019. As we enter 2020, new energy vehicle sales are rapidly recovering from the epidemic, although the impact of the virus has significantly reduced year-over-year sales in the first few months of the overall auto market. The Chinese new electric vehicle market is quickly growing, and I think that NIO will be a long-term winner in this electric vehicle race. Make sure to give us a like, and subscribe to the channel for more stock updates like today. Also, Webull is giving 2 free stocks, valued all the way up to $1,600, only after you deposit $100 on the platform. Use the link down in the description, to get your 2 free stocks, and we will see you in the next video.